we're going to present our program. Our project is called Proyecto Beneficiario Aprende y
We saw the necessity of the employment for elderly, and that's why we created this project, where our main goal is to help elderly through their economic problems they had during the pandemic and not finding a job because of their age.
So in this program, we're going to basically have workshops where they are going to create different products, and then we're going to be in charge of selling these products to generate some income for these older people. In our project, we're going to have different characters. So first, we're going to have the school. We're going to have a partnership with schools. Clients are going to be companies that are interested in artisan products or handmade products, so they're going to basically buy these products that the elder is going to create. Into our workers, we're going to have first the teachers, the students. So students have to apply a specific time of social service. We're going to have them as volunteer, and we're also going to have an external service that is going to be the transport, so that we can keep elderly safe from their homes to the workshop. The government, we're going to work hand by hand with the government, as they're going to help us with all the creation of the program and also with the financial initial investment. The elderly, of course, is going to be the most important part of the project. And then as for the competitors, we're going to have other programs similar to this one, and also other companies that also create artisan products, and that might be competition for us. All right, so our market size, we made a regression. We estimate that in 2030, we're going to have about 1,621,179 people.
All right, perfect. So for financial capability, we have the costs we have to take into account. So we have the professors, materials, transports, wages, also publicity, and the products we are going to use. So for the transportation, which we said before, we're going to rent some company. We're going to hire a company.
As for the market proximity, we expect to have our marketing strategies done first. When we are trying to communicate with the elderly, we're going to just take care of traditional marketing paths like television, newspapers, radios. We expect to work with one of the schools that we saw. One of them is La Presentación Dos. This is a school that is led by priests. So as this is a very religious organization, we know that they're going to have a very close proximity with our project, and they're going to be for sure interested. Products, initially we expect to have carpentry, also paintings, and for last, waved material.
The cycle consists, first of all, of the arrival of the elderly. They're going to arrive even by themselves or by the transportation that we are going to hire. Also, the training for the development of activities, where we are going just to tell the elderly like what they are going to do. For the curation of guided crafts, we are just going to give them like a step by step on what to do. And also at the end of the entire shift, craft collection, we are just going to collect all the craft in order to the dispatch and the sale further of the crafts themselves. So after that, everything should be done. Elderly are going to get 60% of the entire sale for themselves.
Into the financial study, first, the project is not going to have any depreciation, as we're not going to have any tangible assets. Then into the net present value, we're going to recover the initial investment, and we're actually going to have an extra benefit of about 357 million pesos. Onto the BC ratio, we have that for every peso invested, the project is going to generate about 1.28 pesos. Internal rate of return, we have a 70.77% profitability only if the benefits generated are reinvested on the same profitability percentage. Our recoverance period is going to be for 2 years. WACC calculation of 28%, so that means that the other 71% is going to be a return on the investment. So of course the project is convenient.